Start.
Now the next topic is the center with strong federal structure. Now center with a strong federal structure. What is the meaning of federal? Federal means that in a government, there is only one part of government will be there. All the unions, all the states are included in it. No, and still they have the power to decide their internal matters. Like for example, India is a union of states. Union of states means what? That in India all the different states are there, like how we have 29 states, right? So now in 29 states, in all the states have the power to decide what they want to do, but the central government is also having the power that dictate the state. Whenever the situation will arise, at that time who will be in the power? Central government will be in the power. So our country is, along with federal, we are the union states. We cannot say that we are the completely a federal government. Federal government means there is every state is having their own power. They can decide everything internally. No, we are the unions of the state, but still we have the federal type of government. Federal type of government means we have a state government and we have a central government, that we will discuss afterwards. India is a union of states. There is nowhere any reference of the word federal in the constitution. Nowhere it has been written that we are the federal country. Union of states is the sentence used for India. Union of the states means all the union, all the states of our country, they all are together, right? By the use of word union, a permanent and irreversible relationship between union and its component state is indicated. India is a union of states and no state has right to secede it. Means what it means, like for example, Gujarat is there or Maharashtra is there. Maharashtra cannot decide कि we will rule in our way. We cannot take whatever the decision will be taken by the central government. They have to work under the central government. If it is Gujarat is there, Maharashtra is there, Rajasthan is there, they all have to be work under the the idea of the central government. They cannot rule by their own, right? So that is what the right to secede, it means a withdraw. They cannot withdraw that. Thus India is a union of states, yet it has some element of federal government. Federal government means what? Okay, definitely we are the union of states, but we have the power of federal government. Federal government means they can take their own decision. So that is the reason in our country the government is divided into two parts. One is central government. One is known as a central government. Central government will take care of all the states, right? Now the another part along with that, that is a states government. States government means state government will take care of the whatever the regions will come under the states. They will take care of that. All the small decisions like about tax, about education, they will come under whom? By under the states. But all the major decisions like right now coronavirus is going on, so all the decision will be taken by whom? Central government. When emergency situation will come, war situation will come, like about petrol prices, everything will be taken care by whom? Central government. State government will take care of whatever the education is there or whatever the taxes will be taken, that will be decided by the state. So we are divided into two parts, central government and state government. So we can say in a some way we are the federal also. In Indian Federation, there are two sets of government, the union government and the state government. The constitution has clearly marked areas of functioning for both the kinds of government. Means in our constitution it is written that what is the power of central government and what are the powers of the state government, and they have to run the government on that way also. So under this democracy, central and state government have different subjects. Now this is very important. there are three types of subjects has been given in the our union state. One is known as a union list, second is known as a state list, and third is known as a concurrent list. Now union list means what the power which are with only union government, means which is only with central government, means all the decision will be taken by the prime minister. So that is what the union list means. Now state list means whatever the power has been given to the chief minister, even prime minister cannot interfere, right, in the state government, that is known as a state list. Now concurrent list. Concurrent list means where union list and state list, means central government and state government will work together, right? So first we will go through the union list. In union list there are 97 subjects, means whatever the power, that 97 power will be given to union list, in which state has to comprise with and compromise with the union government. Now union list comprises 97 subjects of national importance like defense, foreign affairs, atomic energy, banking, railways, communication, post and telegraph are included in the union list. Means for all these matters, who will take care of and who will take all the decisions, only the only the central government will take all the major decisions. Like for example, railways are there, banking, right? RBI is taking all the decision, and all the banks of the state has to take care of it, and they have to follow the rules. So the central government has power. Now the second is state list. Now state government also have 66 subjects, means this 66 subjects are with the state only, and state will only take decision for this 66 subjects. The state list comprise of those important subjects on which the state legislature house can pass laws. Means they whatever, see, Rajasthan is having a different way of working. Gujarat is having a different types of situation. Jammu and Kashmir has different types of situation where they have to tackle. So you cannot deal, all the states has the same list. All the state have the different way to deal with it. So the subject in state list, they have the power, they can make their law under the situation which arise in their state. Subjects like law and order, state government institution, agriculture and irrigation. Now when we say Arunachal Pradesh has a different way of dealing with agriculture, Gujarat will have different way, Rajasthan will have different way. So they will make their own way, and all decision by their need. Health, land, interstate trade and commerce are included. If there is a failure of the law and order in the state, the union government with consent or against the will of the state can send reserved public force. Now sometimes situation will arise that cannot be taken by the state government, like some riots happens, or sometimes some big any type of terrorist attack happen, so that cannot be controlled by the state government. Then who will interfere? Definitely the central government will interfere at that period of time, till the state government will run their subjects. Now the another is concurrent list. Concurrent list means both are included. In addition to this, the constitution provides for a third list that can call the concurrent list, which consists of subject of the common concern both for the central and the state. Means where central and state have the same concern. Like the central and state government can pass laws on these subjects. Like for example, in concurrent there are 47 subjects, which are criminal and civil procedures like marriage and divorce, education, economic planning, trade union, etc. This all are the different types of concurrent list, in which both can be included and both will take decision together only. Now the third is residuary power. Residuary power means which are the small decisions that to be taken, that will be taken by the state government only. No central government will interfere in that. The subject which are not specifically allotted to union or states are included in residuary power. Matters that are not included in the division of power are known as residuary power. The central government is given the power to legislate on this residuary subject. Means central government had already given power to the state government. The financial distribution of resources is done between union government and state government. Means whatever the resources to be taken or given by the central government, that already been decided by the central government. Like for example, excise and customs, what type of excise will be taken, export import, income tax, all these major taxes are decided by whom? The central government only. While sales tax, revenue tax, entertainment tax, education tax, which are having meager financial resources, are decided by the state government. Means which are the small taxes that will be taken care by whom? By the state government. All big decision about the import, export, central excise, that will be taken care by the central government.